Hello all, welcome back to our channel. And today we have got another set of collections. This is a mixed variety party wear and office wear collections. So mostly we have a Banarsi kind of suits for today. So come on, let's start with our first piece. This is the look of our first piece. The color combination is grey with black. Now this is the shirt fabric, grey color, and the zari work done here is a mix of copper with silver zari. All this paisley kind of booties or in the shirt portion. The daman is finished with this border, and the back of the shirt has the same design as the front. The same booties and border are provided in the back of the shirt also. This is the back. It's a copper with silver mixed zari. It's an oven fabric. Everything is a weave. I'm showing you. Also, they have provided a patch with some handwork for the yoke part. It has some dabka work and some sardozi work. And again, this is the sleeve portion. The sleeve has this border. They have provided the border design for the sleeves. Now, the bottom. This is the bottom fabric. This is, I forgot to say about the fabric. This is a soft silk fabric, Banarsi soft silk fabric, and the bottom is silk cotton fabric. It's a solid bottom of grey color. Now, the dupatta, which I told you is a black color. It's a very good color combination, grey with black. This is the dupatta. Very pretty dupatta. Again a Banarsi dupatta with a jal work, and this is the pallu. A grand pallu is there for the dupatta. It is also a copper zari with silver zari mix. So the other two sides of the dupatta has got this kind of border, and another two sides have this grand pallu. And the dupatta is finished with golden piping on all the four sides. So this is the finished look you could get. It is a 3 meters fabric for the bottom, so you could stitch it however you like, a palazzo kind or pant style or whatever style, or even a churidar style. Whichever is convenient for you, you can use it. It is a 3 meters fabric, and there may be slight color variations in the camera, so I'm again telling you it is a grey with black combination. It has got a shine in the color. It's a shiny grey. Now let's see this next one. The next suit is from the same series. This is magenta color. It's the look of the suit. Now this is the shirt fabric. Again, it's a silk fabric, a lightweight silk. This is the daman. The daman is very rich. It has got some paitani kind of weave done in the daman portion. It is again gold with silver zari mix. This is the front portion of the shirt. Now let's see the back. This is the back portion. The back portion in the suit has got very tiny floral booties, which is very pretty. An alternative line of silver booty with golden booty. Tiny floral booties all over the back of the shirt, and a border at the bottom portion of the shirt fabric. This is the sleeve portion, which has got the border too. The color is magenta color, maroonish magenta. You could not call it as a complete maroon color also. It has got that purple hue in the shade. Now this is the yoke patch for this. It has got the same color, so it's same color thread work with the golden thread and with some dakka and sequin work. It's very pretty. The bottom again here is magenta, which is a silk cotton fabric. Now let's see the dupatta. The dupatta is also of same color. This is the dupatta. It's a simple and neat dupatta. Floral booties are all over this dupatta with this border covering all the four sides of your dupatta and finished with golden piping. It's a simple one, so it has not got a grand pallu like the other one. It is also very rich, elegant and classy look. See, this is the dupatta. Now this is the complete look. As I said, the bottom fabric is of 3 meters. The type of bottom is of your choice. All these are branded materials, so they are providing 3 meters for shirt fabric and for bottom fabric. So it's very convenient. Now the next piece in our collection. This is navy blue with copper sulphate blue combination. So this is the look. Now first let's see the shirt. It's silver with copper zari. This is the shirt, top of the shirt, plain again. The daman portion is adorned with these grand floral booties, a silver with copper zari mix, and again this scallop kind of design is provided for the border. It's very pretty, very nice. Now this is the sleeve portion. They are given the border, the same style border for the sleeves. And now let's see the back of the shirt. This is the back. The back has got very cute little flowers. Traditional kind of flower pattern is provided for the back. Very tiny floral booties. And again it's the same silver with copper zari is used for the booties here, and it is also the same border is also provided at the end of your back side of the shirt. Now they have given this yoke patch in contrast with the dupatta color and shirt color. Again it's some handwork with some nice dabka work and thread work. A very rich work is done for the yoke patch. This is the bottom fabric, silk cotton fabric. Now let's see the dupatta. This is the dupatta. Contrast copper sulfate color, silver with zari weave. The tiny flowers are used again here in the dupatta, and also the grand floral booties for the border of the four sides of the dupatta, and the golden piping is done to complete the four ends of the dupatta. It's a good color combination. This is the finished look. Now the next suit. This is the next collection. Mustard or golden yellow with green color combination. It's a golden yellow, very nice color. This is the shirt, and the shirt has this copper with silver zari mix design. For this daman portion, the border is very rich. So this is the yoke patch, again green with some green thread work with some dakka work is done on the patch work for the yoke, patch piece for the yoke. This is the bottom fabric, silk cotton fabric. Sorry, I forgot about the back side of the shirt. The back side of the shirt has this booties, tiny booties with border at the bottom, and this is the sleeve portion. This is copper zari with silver zari mix. This is the bottom fabric, and now let's see the dupatta. Very pretty leaf green color, very attractive color. Leaf green, a bright green. See, this is the pallu of the dupatta, a grand pallu. Pretty design, I mean aesthetic design. Silver with copper zari mix for the dupatta also. The other two sides border is of this design, and all over inside of the dupatta has got this silver and copper zari booties. Very attractive design, very neatly done, and it is also finished with golden piping on all the four ends of the dupatta. This is our next suit. Beige with maroon combination. This is the look of the suit. This is the look of the suit. This is beige color, not a silver color. I'm not sure of the color being reflected through the camera, so I'm making the point again here. It's a beige color. So it has got this nice silver vertical lines. These are all weaved. It's embossed kind of design. The silver lines, whichever you see through running in the middle of the shirt, is an embossed kind of zari weave done in the shirt fabric. A very elegant looking design. And this is the bottom portion. It's simple. It is finished with this simple border design for the daman portion, whereas the body is fully done with this embossed silver zari lines running all through the body portion. Now let's see the back of the shirt. The back portion has again got the border along, plain back with the border to finish the bottom of the shirt. Now this is the sleeve. Sleeve has again got the same border. Now let's see the yoke. The yoke portion. This is a very rich work done for the yoke portion for this particular shirt. Though the shirt may seem simple compared to the other designs, the shirt design looks simple, but it's all kind of a shiny. What to say? The zari lines are very shining, and it reflects the silver zari lines, whichever is embossed through the shirt. It's a kind of reflective thing. So again, to adorn your shirt, this pretty patchwork is done with the maroon thread combination with some dabka and sardozi work, and also a stone has been attached in the center of these floral in the center of this flower part, whichever they have done. It's rich. The patchwork is very rich in the suit. Again, the silk cotton fabric, beige color bottom. This is the dupatta. Dupatta is very pretty. The pallu is very grand. These floral booties adorn the pallu of the dupatta. It is golden with silver zari mix. It's not copper color, it's golden with silver zari mix. Maroon combining with gold and silver gives a very grand look to this dupatta. And the border is very, very pretty. It's totally highlighting the color of the dupatta and the border color. Everything gets along very well. It's very, very rich. The dupatta is very elegant, classy, and the other two sides have got the same border. And the floral booties. It's very pretty. Floral booties are provided all through the dupatta. And again, golden piping to finish the four ends of the dupatta. This is the finished look. Now let's see the next collection, next piece. This is blue, peacock blue with peachish pink combination. See, this is the look of the suit. Now let's see the shirt. As I said, it's peacock blue. It's a reflective color. As it is of silk fabric, it's very shiny and reflective. Though it is silk fabric, I would call it it's not any polyester or synthetic kind of silk fabric. It's a very lightweight silk cotton fabric. Not even, I would call it as kathan silk. It's very, very lightweight kathan silk. See, this is the daman portion. Daman portion has got this design and a grand border that completes the daman. It's silver with golden, copper zari. Silver mixed with copper zari has been used on this daman portion. Now let's see the back side of the shirt fabric. The back side has got all tiny diamond shaped booties, silver with copper mixed zari booties with this elegant border at the bottom of your shirt fabric. The same border has been provided for the sleeve portion also. Now this is the yoke provided for the suit. Peach, the dupatta color, which is the peachish pink thread work, is used on the yoke patchwork. Very nice and nicely done. This is the bottom fabric. Now let's see the dupatta. Peachish pink dupatta. This dupatta has got jal work. Very nice dupatta. Jal work design. Silver with copper zari mix design, and the four sides have got this border too, and it is finished with golden piping. The color combination is very nice. Peacock blue with coral pink. Now this is the completed look of the set for your reference.